If you're making homemade pizza for dinner, save some of the dough and make this sweet pizza for dessert. Start with your prepared dough. You can find our recipe in the description below. The full recipe makes enough for 2 pizzas, so you can have one savory and one sweet. Form half the dough into a rough circle with your hands, then lightly flour your working surface and roll the dough, rotating occasionally until it is a large circle about 10 inches in diameter. Transfer to a circular pizza tray, or if you don't have one, a regular rectangular tray works too. Position it in the center, then use a fork to poke small holes all over the surface. This will prevent the dough from bubbling up too much when you bake it. Brush the top with melted unsalted butter, then bake at 420 Fahrenheit or 215 Celsius for 12 minutes. When it's golden brown, scoop a couple spoonfuls of Nutella and spread it out evenly. This is totally customizable. You could use any other chocolate spread or pretty much any sweet spread you like. We then topped with mini marshmallows, which will act kind of like the cheese on this dessert pizza. Finally, broil on low for 1 minute, just until the marshmallows are browned. Be really careful here, they can go from perfect to burnt very quickly. Subscribe to Dished for more dessert recipes.